Welcome to my Lord of the Rings Lego review.
Pose.
Today's set is Uruk-hai Army. First we take a look at the set. So watch. See? This thing and this thing. You think that's connected, but no it's not. Watch. Boom! Whoa. Ah! Boom! Boom! Yeah, baby. So watch. This guy, he can sneak in. Now we have a little door that he can even put his sword out. Now he has a shield. So watch. Yeah, boom, 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 boom. Yeah, baby, yeah. Uruk-hai. I'll show the back of the wall. So he goes in. Catapult, baby. So watch. See? Can I show you what? Shield, a weapon, cool helmet, cool cape, cool horse, cool bow and arrow, cool bow and arrow pack, cool helmet, cool. The bad guys. Watch, he could slice the floor even. Ooh, but it's going away. These are the armor guys. See? Crazy face. Uruk-hai. I recommend that you'll love this set and like it, and it'll come with the coolest helmet.
Who gave you this set?
My Nemo, not the, let me show them which set. Not the Nemo who gave me this one. Thank you, Hana Nemo. I love you. Now for the battle.
The leaves to the tree, and the tree to the roots, and the roots to the ground, and the ground to the sky, sky to the smoke that I blow up high. Got the idea, now show it how to fly.
Do your dance. Stop. Make a face.